Hey guys, Carlos here with Buckaroo Gear. I wanted to announce the latest video series at the BuckarooGear LeatherCraft School. This video series is an over-the-shoulder look at a chinks class I recently gave with a gal named Jolynn Christensen. She came in from Utah, and she was gracious enough to allow us to video the whole class. It was a 2-day class. She came to learn how to build step-in chinks. And this video series is meant to be a companion to the original educational video series, which was how to build basic chinks. Like I said, this video was shot as if you were in the class with us. We go through all kinds of details step by step, and I build a pair of chinks right alongside her. It's really not meant to be a step-by-step how to build chinks, but it is a companion video series that will go with the how to build basic chinks video series to further your understanding in how to build chinks, the nuances involved, the steps, the efficiency, and there's a lot of different discussions in between that were all captured on video. If you haven't already subscribed to the BuckarooGear LeatherCraft School, go on there today. You can go to BuckarooGear.com. And for one low monthly subscription, you will have access to all the content on there. There are 5 different courses. There's the How to Build Basic Chinks course. There's the How to Build a Martingale course. There is a leather sewing machine fundamentals course on some basic principles and best practices in sewing leather. A couple of different types of machines are on there that we have in the shop, and I go over some of that. And lastly, there's this new video series with Jolynn on building chinks. So I would encourage you to go check it out today. Again, if you haven't already signed up, go on there today. You can go to BuckarooGear.com and click on the LeatherCraft Learning tab up at the top in the navigation bar, or you can go to leatherschool.teachable.com.